So today's video is going to focus on something simple, should be pretty quick. I'm going to talk about a quick lesson that I learned about how to use short circuit evaluation and how to use ternary expressions. So this is an example that I learned in one of the courses I took when I was first learning how to be a developer. So when you take a look here, the point of this question here is to say, how do we set the default value for this message? Instead of having to use this whole big if statement, can we simplify this and can we make this code a little bit more elegant? And the answer is yes, we can. Instead of using this if statement, we can just define a variable. So we can say that message, and that's going to equal either the message or hello world. Right, and so what this right here, this is the short circuit evaluation. So what it does is it first checks for this right here. And it says, is there a message? And if not, then we're going to say it's hello world, right? And so when we go log message, we're not running anything in here. So we call log message. It says that message is going to equal nothing. So that doesn't work. So then we're going to run hello world. So if we run this in the terminal, so we just got to change this guy here. We are going to run see that we get hello world. Perfect. Actually, let me save it just so we can be sure here. No, one quick mistake. Let's already defined. And we get hello world. So that's already done. Nice. It's sort of a similar approach here to this bottom one, where we're going to use a ternary expression, right? So this is, again, really long. We can simplify this. Instead of having to have this if-else statement, we can just have that message equal something. So message is going to equal some value. So let's look at been working all day, and we're going to evaluate that with this ternary expression. And what that says, if it's true, if been working all day is true, we're going to set it equal to I'm tired. And if it's not, we're going to set it equal to I'm wide awake. Save that guy. Let's run it. And would you look at that? I'm tired. And if we ran this as false, you would see I'm wide awake. So that's really all there is to ternary operators and to short circuit evaluations. It's just a quick lesson, something if you're sort of struggling with figuring this out, you're maybe running through your own coding boot camp, you're like, what does this mean? I didn't get this activity. Maybe this can help you. All right.